Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So today we'll see how to uninstall applications or programs from Windows. Click on the start icon here and click the settings icon. Now go into apps and make sure apps and features are selected in the left hand side. Now you can see the list of apps that has been installed in your system. So if you want to uninstall an app, click on it and click on uninstall. So this particular app will be removed from your system. And another method is uninstalling the programs from control panel. So click on start and go to search box and type in control panel and open it. So now click on programs, uninstall programs. So if you want to uninstall a program, make sure you select that program first, right click and click on uninstall and click on yes. So the uninstall process will begin. Now click next and uninstall. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.